Hello guys, welcome back to SubbuSoftTech. In this video, we will discuss about jar file is. What is jar file? So what is the definition of jar file? So where we how to utilize jar file, how to create a jar file. So what is the basic information about jar file? All these things we will discuss in this video, guys. Yes, let's go for if so this what is jar file. When it comes to this jar file, so jar stands for Java archive file, guys. So what do we say? So jar stands for Java archive file. So it is basically Java archive file. Yes. So it is basically compressed file, guys. Okay. So it is a compressed file. Yes, so every file has a extension or not? Yes, so the .txt file, .png file, so the mp3 file, mp4 file as like a jar file has a extension .jar file, guys. So then only that is comes under the jar file. Yes, so when it comes to this jar file in the industry level, so why we have to utilize jar file means, so I have a group of classes, guys. Those group of library classes I want to release as a software means, then only we need to go for this jar file, guys. So that means what is the main purpose here? It is used to so grouping. It is used to grouping. So for what purpose here? So I have some Java library classes available. I want to group all these Java library classes as a simple software means, we should make it as a jar file, guys. It is used to grouping. So Java library files. Okay. So it is grouping to Java library files. So in order to distribute this one as a software or not? Yes, to distribute it as a software. When it comes to zip file is a platform dependent file, guys. But when it comes to this jar file, so jar is a platform independent file for OS. Yes, for every OS we have a separate platform independent file is comes on the jar file is. Yes. So this is the basic information about jar file. But when it comes to where we have to represent this jar file means, so it is represent multiple classes as a single file, guys. So to combine multiple classes or multiple files as a single file. I want to combine multiple files as a single file means, then we should go for this jar file, is okay. When it comes to real-time software industry, so what are the different example for this jar file means, I have a one JDBC jar file is available means, so yes, the JDBC technology means, so what are the using this JDBC technology, what are the OJDBCs, say OJDBC 6.jar file, 7.jar file as like so they developed a different jar file, guys. So these jar files represent Java websites or ESB component, so JDBC library as like, so it is represent multiple things, guys. Okay, so that means jar file represent. So jar file represent. So what are the different examples here? So suppose I have a JDBC library. So it is also represented JDBC libraries. I have a EJB component is there. So this EJB component I want to represent means, yes, so that is also one of the example. Yes, so as like there are multiple things. Okay, so I want to represent Java libraries. So only Java library means, so that is also an example for this. So jar file representation or not? Yes, so I want to represent Java websites. So Java websites means, so that is also example for this jar file. Using the jar file, we can do, there are multiple scenarios. I have a one particular project, that particular project classes I want to integrate into another project. Yes, we can export as a jar file and we can integrate the jar file into another project base. So as like, so there are multiple advantages of this jar file in the real-time project Yes, but when it comes to this, how to create a jar file means, so basically we have a one command is available in the command prompt. From the command prompt, if you are simply type to jar means, yes, what are the different options that is available in order to create a jar file. All the options will be displayed by the command prompt base. If you see, so suppose let us example, I am opening command prompt here. So once we are opening here, so I am just typing jar here means all the options that is available for this jar file is displayed here or not. If you see how to utilize the jar file means, yes, so the different options they provided is, yes, so C means create a jar file. So as like T means list of tables. I have a manifest file. I want to specify that manifest file means, so M is available. I want to specify the file names means, so F is available. As like there are different types of comments available. Using those comments we can create a jar file, guys. Okay, so but make sure that jar is the tool, it is the command we have to utilize in order to create a jar file. Yes, so how to create a jar file, these examples also clearly told by the command prompt itself or not. Yes, we will discuss each the so how to create a jar file, it is not an issue, guys. Okay, it is a very simple process. Yes, when it comes to this, how to create a jar file means, so if you want to create a jar file, we have to use the command called jar command, guys. Using this jar command we can create a jar file. Yes, so how to create a jar file means, so what is the syntax we need to follow means, so jar is the command. After jar command, so we have to use hyphen cvf, guys. Okay, so C means create, V means verbose, file, F means a file. What are the files that is I want to involve into this jar file? Yes, using this command we can involve, guys. After that, so we have to provide your jar file name. What are the file name we want to provide here? You can provide your jar file name here, guys. Yes, sir, I want to make this jar file name as a demo.jar file. Yes, we can provide that jar file we have to provide here. After this jar file, so what are the folders, what are the files you want to involve into this particular jar file? We can provide all these folders or files. These specific files also we can provide or include. If you want to include all the files that is available in the current workspace means, yes, that is also fine. Yes, it is not an issue. Okay, yes, so this is the syntax we need to follow in order to create a jar file. Yes, yes, so it is not a executable jar file, it is a normal jar file. Yes, suppose let us example, I have a text1 file is available, text2 file is available, 3 png file is also available, guys. Okay, I want to create a jar file using these files means, yes, we can happily create, there is no doubt. Yes, so suppose I want to create a jar file means, yes, jar is the command. After that we have to use the command prompt command called hyphen cvf. Yes, after that, what are the jar file name is there, that jar file name you can provide. Suppose I am testing purpose, that's why I am providing test.jar. Whenever we are providing test.jar, yes, this with this name, so jar file is generated in your current location called new folder in this location, guys. Yes, after that, so what are the classes you want to provide here? That classes, that files names we have to provide for whether if it is a folders or files, whatever it may be, you can provide anything, guys. Okay, so to involve, so only text1, text2, these are the only txt files I want to involve into this jar file means, yes, we can provide test1.txt. and after that I have a multiple files means, yes, we can give the space, case using space we can separate multiple files or folders. Yes, after that text2.txt. if I'm providing like this means, whenever we are hitting like this, if you see, so we added man first and after that adding which file here, so text1.txt file, text2.txt file. These are the only two files that is added into my jar file or not. What is the jar file name I provided here? Yeah? So test.jar. That's why if you observe here, so in the same location, so with the test name, one jar file is generated here or not? Yes, but it is not a executable jar file here. It is a normal jar file.